Welcome back to the next session. So students, stitch a sample of shirt placket with facing. So principle is कि what is the principle of making with the facing? The facing means as an extended self facing is used on the left front. So shirt band and strips on the right side of the shirt front in which the button holes are made. Eliminate the need for facing. Is it okay? So that's why we are making separate piece of the facing. So an extended self facing is used on the left front and means upper part. Is it okay? So the finished shirt band is the 1.5 inch wide, but constructed technique vary depend on the fabric and style of the shirt. Is it okay? So requirement machines and machine kits. Shirt placket with facing. So like a simple shirt placket, here also two parts, right and left part. So upper part as a name shirt placket with facing means separate piece of facing we will use in the shirt placket with facing, and lower part as same as a simple shirt placket. So in upper part, first from center front line we will extend, that means extension means button patti and plus seam allowances. And as a figure you are observing, in center facing we have prepared separately and we will attach with the extension and then turn back side of the garment. Is it okay student? So upper right part we will make separate piece of facing like a name of shirt placket with facing. Is it okay? So next lower part is extended part with facing, means as same as a simple shirt placket, no separate piece of facing we will use. Is it okay? So next is student shirt placket with facing. So first we have to prepare the pattern piece. So first we will trace the upper part of the pattern piece. As we know, two parts are required, upper part and under part. That means right and left, both part. One part is the upper and second part is the lower. So first we are prepared pattern for upper part. First, as we trace the pattern piece, shirt placket with facing means we have to prepare separate facing. Is it okay? So like a simple shirt placket, first we have traced the pattern piece. This is the upper part, and now extension. What is the extension? Means button patti. As usual, standard measurement 3/4 inch. After that we have to take 1/4 inch seam allowances, because these seam allowances attach facing with this. That's why we are taking after that extension seam allowances. Is it okay? So with the facing we trace the upper part of the basic bodice block, and after that extend from the center front line, and after that extend from the center front line. This is the extension or button patti. Standard measurement is 3/4 inch or radius of the button plus 1 centimeter, and after that 1/4 of seam allowances is there. So students, note this thing कि upper part we will use separate strip for the facing, but in the lower part no separate strip of facing required. So facing will be attached from here, and after that it will be turned wrong side. Is it okay? So this is the part of the basic bodice pattern is for basic bodice block plus extension plus 1/4 seam allowances. So now in this piece, separate piece of pattern facing also required. This is the separate piece of the facing. So as usual, 1.5 inch facing and 1/4 is the seam allowances, but in this side will be attached to the extension 1/4 seam allowances. So that's why here we will take 1/4 plus 1/4. So 1/4 is attached this 1/4 and stitch here. So this is the 1/2 inch we will take the seam allowances, because 1/4 is attached to with this extension and stitch from here, and 1/4 is turn back. Is it okay student? So facing